Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. C's Auto years. It's a cold one today, ladies and gentlemen. It's snowing out here, but that doesn't matter. This Honda still get you around and keep you nice and warm, okay? Nice and warm. Nice and toasty in here. Let me turn this down so you guys can hear me. All right. It's got all the bells and whistles right here. 97 Honda Accord. It's a Honda, ladies and gentlemen. No matter what you say, it's a Honda. All right. We got radio. Let's see here. Okay, we got radio. Check.
Check.
All right, we got the radio. Window. Okay. All right. Check this out. Check this out. Even though it's winter time. We're live. We're out the roof. Okay. Seatbelt. Turn signals. Lights. Check. All right. One disclaimer before we take off. This is a salvage title. I believe it's a salvage because of the little fender bender over here where we replaced the hood and we replaced the hood and the fender. We got the color match as close as we could. So that's your disclaimer. Salvage title. 270,000 miles on it, but check out how this thing runs. It's a Honda. 300,000 is nothing to this car. Let's go. Let's put him on the clear for it. Here we go. Feel the power. Clear? Clear. 270. Let's see what it do. Oh. Oh. Yeah. So, this is a cash deal. You can also finance this 800 down. Like I said, 270,000 miles. Don't just talk about it. Come on down and see it. See for yourself. 679 North High Street, Chillicothe, Ohio. Somebody